Hello and welcome to putting in your expansion strips step-by-step video. First things you're going to want to do is get your assembly supports. You're going to have 2 of those, finishing nails and a hammer, as well as a 15/16 ratchet wrench or regular wrench and a pair of vice grips. If you don't have those already provided for you, you should have a template of those, at which point you can make them out of 3/4 inch plywood. Once you have all that supply together, you're going to want to take your finishing nails, and you're going to have already existing holes in the side of your barrel from when it was built the first time. And then you're going to want to just tack the nails in place. These are going to hold the staves in place when you loosen off your cables. Don't hammer the nails all the way in because you are going to want to pull them out afterwards. Put those all the way in, all the way down until you get to the screwed in staves. Once you've gotten all of those tacked in place, you're going to want to take your assembly supports. You take the assembly support, 1 on each side of the barrel, and you can screw them underneath to the cradle in place, like so. 1 or 2 screws just to hold them in place is fine. Like so. Go to the other side, do the exact same thing with the nails and the cradle support. So at this point, you should have nails in the side of your barrel, supports in place at the back. Then you are free to loosen your cables off. Take a pair of vice grips, clamp the top of the stud, allowing you to use your wrench on the bottom portion and loosen. The vice grips will stop the cable from turning on you. Loosen cables using both nuts. Loosen all cables as much as possible without taking them all the way off. You will have been provided several expansion strips when you purchased your barrel, and they'll come in varying sizes. Select the size you think will help close up any gaps you have possibly in your staves that you're trying to close up. Then locate the split stave. If you have an electric sauna, there will be only 1. If you have a wood burning sauna, there will be 1 on either side of your chimney stack. Now that the cables have been loosened, you will be able to rock up and loosen up the staves near and around the split stave, like so. And as you can see, there's a split stave with an expansion strip in here, just like so. Get them loose, space them out, put your expansion strip in the gap you're hoping to close up. Once you've put the appropriate expansion strip in between your split staves, then move up to the next full set of staves, rock them up together like this, and you should be able to pop them down together like that. Don't try to put this split stave in and rock it down. Get it in place, then move up to the next full 2 staves and rock them down in place. I'll show you that one more time. Can you hold this for me? You'll have those in place like that ahead of time. That's the expanded strip, say, and it's put in. I'm going to move to the next 2 staves, place them in place like this, rock them up, and at which point I can just gently start to work them down like that. Remembering to keep your cables in place, but incredibly loose, but keep them in place the whole time. Hopefully that helps you put your expansion strips in. Good luck.